Good day, good day, good day, my people. Thank you for coming to my channel. Thank you for supporting my channel. I have a lot of recipes coming your way, a lot of good things coming your way. Please do not forget to subscribe below. Also share and like, and of course that bell button that is going to let you know right away as soon as I upload a video, which I will be doing twice a week on Fridays and Sunday. Okay, so let's get started. I'm very excited about my recipes, and I'm very excited of sharing what my family been eating for years with yours. Thank you. So let's get started with the ingredients, guys. I got cut up chicken here, chicken thigh and chicken breast. I have fresh ginger, garlic, lemon, cilantro, onion, and tomatoes. I also have ground turmeric, ground cumin, honey, ground masala, red chili powder, ground coriander, chili paste, a small container of plain yogurt, heavy whipping cream, and I already have mashed some garlic and ginger together. So now I am adding the juice of the whole lemon to my chicken. I'm adding some ground cumin, about a teaspoon of the ground masala, a teaspoon of the coriander, about a tablespoon of the ground chili powder. I'm adding some turmeric powder here. And here about a tablespoon of mashed fresh ginger with garlic. And I'm adding it to the chicken, and I'm massaging the chicken. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of salt, very little, guys. The container of the yogurt. It's a regular serving of yogurt. I'm adding some turmeric powder, a little bit more of the coriander, a little bit more of the red chili. So I let my chicken marinate in the fridge about 5 hours, between 4.5 and 5 hours. And now I add a little bit of oil to the pan because it doesn't have any skin, so the fat is pretty much gone of the chicken. And now I am sauteing my chicken. I like to brown my chicken. And you continue this process and you cooking your chicken at medium low, guys. Most of the process of this tikka masala chicken is going to be cooked on medium low fire. Okay, it's a process of love, but I'm telling you, this dish was very, very, very good. So here I'm done browning my chicken. I removed it. Now I'm adding my onion. I decided to use red onions instead of the regular onion, and also bay leaf. So here I am sauteing my onions. Now with this dish, you want to brown your onions. Okay, and again, you are cooking it in medium low. I added a little bit more of oil to my pan, and you want your onions to look like this, not burn, but brown. I'm telling you, it's going to give it such a good taste. Here I added about another tablespoon of the ground ginger and garlic. And again, I'm letting it brown up a little bit. Now I'm adding my chopped up tomatoes. And it smells so good in the kitchen. I'm telling you, the aroma. Even the animals outside want to come in. Here I'm adding a little bit chopped up cilantro. And I'm going to go ahead and continue to let this marinate. And it should look like this. So everything had danced together. Now I'm adding a little bit of salt, a little bit of each of the ingredients. That's why I said through the whole process, guys, you go ahead and you add a little bit at a time. You could always add because it's a stew, but you can't take away. Okay, so most of these ingredients are salt free. So just adjust your salt intake. All right, here I'm adding about a tablespoon of my honey. Don't forget the honey. It balances out all the heats. All right. I will do my best to write down some of the measurements down to give you an idea about how much to put in there. I usually eyeball all this stuff. I'm used to making it. But I will do that for you guys. So here I'm adding my chicken back to my tomato stew. And now I'm adding a little bit of the whipping cream at a time and stirring it. Look at how beautiful that's coming along. I'm adding a little bit more. I added about, I would say total about a half a cup of the whipping cream. Look at how beautiful that is. All right. Look at that tikka masala, tikka masala chicken. It is so good, guys. So here, this is the moment of truth. Now I'm tasting it. I felt that the seasons were right. I just added about a quarter cup of water and let it simmer. And this is almost done, guys. Just a few more minutes. Now add a little bit more fresh cilantro to my mix. When it's almost done, that's when you add the last cilantro, which you're gonna let it marinate about a minute. And this is it, guys. This is your tikka masala chicken. Thank you for stopping by. I appreciate your support. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and of course that notification button that's going to let you know every time I upload a video, which is every Friday and Sunday except holiday weeks. Thank you, guys, and I will see you in the next recipe. Have a great day.